Hey BROCHIKAS, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my winter FabFitFun box. Look at how huge this is. It takes up the whole camera space. So we've got some really cute like snowflake, snowing kind of vibes going on here for the winter box. And if you guys haven't heard of FabFitFun before, if you're new to my channel, or you just didn't tune in to my last video, I have worked with them before. I'm working with them on this video today. They did send me this box, so thank you so much to FabFitFun. I am going to give you guys a little preview of what their winter box has to offer, and I'm super excited to get into it. But I'm going to tell you a little bit about FabFitFun before we get started. So if you don't know what it is a seasonal subscription. So there are 4 boxes per year: summer, spring, fall, and winter. It is only $49.99 per box per season, but you are going to get full-size products and the entire box will value over $200. Sometimes one of the products costs more than the entire box. So it's a really great deal. And for me personally, I think it's a great way to treat yourself to like high-end products for a very low price. So what woman doesn't love luxury? We all love luxury, but sometimes we don't like the price tag of luxury. You know I'm always on a budget, and I highly suggest this box because you're gonna get such high-end, like luxurious items. You're gonna feel like you spent $300, but really you only spent $49.99. But I have an even better deal for you, because if you use my coupon code in my link down below in the description box, you're gonna save $10 off of your box, making it $39.99 for over $200 worth of full-size products, and that is a steal. Not only is it a great deal, but they're very thoughtful, and this box is 100% recyclable. They're really trying to lower their carbon footprint, which I think is great. And this company is all about female empowerment, which we always love on this channel right here. It's all about female empowerment, so we appreciate that. So when you go to sign up on FabFitFun's website, they're gonna give you a little quiz to see what type of stuff you like. And then for each season, you get to kind of choose many of the products, but some of them are gonna be a surprise. So I think this is a great thing to treat yourself. Like I said, I think it's great as a present as well. If I have any husbands watching me, I don't know if I do, I feel like I have a small male audience. Order this for your wife, okay? She will love you even more than she already loves you. I'm super excited to open this because this is like, it feels like a birthday. Even if it's not your birthday, it feels like a birthday or Christmas. So let's go ahead and see what's in this FabFitFun Winter 2020 box. Okay, so here's what it looks like on the inside, and you're gonna always get this little pamphlet in your box. It's gonna tell you about the items that you either got or items that other people have got that you didn't get that time. And sometimes they have flash sales on the products, so you can buy them separately as well. Also usually include like some recipes for the season. So there's probably some like winter recipes in here. Oh look, there's winter drinks in here. There's a bunch of good information in this little newsletter. And not only are you going to save money on this box, but they always include coupons for other companies. So this is a HelloFresh coupon. I mean, it's the gift that keeps on giving, you guys. I'm telling you. So let's just go ahead and pick the first item out. It's the biggest one I see, and I got to open it. So this is a Summer in Rose robe, a little cozy robe. And I got mine in the size large, extra large. Obviously, if it's an item like this, you're gonna choose your size. Oh my goodness, this is so soft, you guys. Ah! So this was one of the bigger items that you get to choose yourself. Of course, I chose a robe because it's gonna be winter. It's cozy season, and I definitely needed a cozy robe because I don't have one. So it's like this taupe, like tan, beige taupe, whatever you want to call it, fuzzy robe, and I didn't realize there was a hood on it, which is awesome. So you get a little hood. There's this little loop here so you can hang it on something. Not all robes have that, so I'm really glad this one does. I'll put a little side by side of what it looks on me. But of course there's pockets because I just can't live. I just can't live without pockets. That's awesome. And I want to let y'all know that this robe is valued at $70. That is more than the whole box itself. We're already over the value. And if you didn't see my last FabFitFun unboxing, I like to tally up how much everything is worth so we can see how much money we save, because it just really excites me. So yes, this Summer in Rose cozy robe is valued at $70. So, oh my goodness, I cannot wait to wear this in the morning, drinking my coffee by my little fireplace. I'm so excited. The next product that we have is skincare. Guys, forewarning, I got a lot of skincare in this box as per my choice, because the older I get, the more and more I'm just like, give me all the skincare. Please preserve my youth, okay? I love me some skincare, and you know, skincare can get very expensive, so to get it in this box is a great idea. One of my favorite brands is Dr. Brandt, and oh my goodness, it can get very, very pricey, but it's so good. So I chose a Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. So this helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleans pores, helps smooth the appearance of pores and skin texture. So I'm all about that. I do have pretty large pores right here in the center of my face. So here is what the box looks like. It says it's the Beauty Choice New Beauty Winner. So it has an award on it, and I don't doubt it because the Dr. Brandt brand is so good. I love the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Primer under my makeup. So here's what the bottle looks like. Super luxurious and beautiful, and I cannot wait to have a little pamper spa day and use this. So guys, the value of this Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Exfoliator is $58, which is again more than the value of the box itself. That is insane, you guys. This is a really good size. This is 2 ounces, so it is a full size product for $58. That's the value, you guys. I cannot believe this. I'm so excited to use this. All right, so the next product that we have in here is this Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush for radiant looking skin. So this polishes skin. It's a facial workout, and yeah, it's a dry brush. So I've never tried something like this before for my face. So here's what the product looks like outside of the box. Oh, okay, it's softer than I thought it would be. That's good. I was like, I would be nervous to put like a hard bristled thing on my face. I do have sensitive skin, so sometimes when I use brushes, I feel like it makes my acne come out. I don't know why, but I love how like in this pamphlet, not only does it tell you the value of the products that you're getting, but sometimes it'll give like little descriptions. So this one says that you use the dry brush on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. So this is valued at $20. Wow, that's a luxurious brush. This little thing is 20 bucks. So I'll definitely have to like have a little like pamper, an updated like pamper routine video so I can use all these skincare products. But it says incorporate it into your AM routine. Always use the Daily Facial Dry Brush only on dry, freshly cleansed skin. Do not wet the brush. It will damage the integrity and the quality. So that's very interesting. I've heard of dry brushing for cellulite on legs and all that stuff, but I've never heard of dry brushing for your face. So that will be something I'm going to have to try. All right, so here is the next product, and may I just say that this packaging is so cute. This iridescent little pink box. This is adorable. And this is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Ooh, we love an eye cream. And this has probiotics and superfood. The probiotics help lock in the moisture. There's caffeine, which gives the skin a tight and firm appearance. And there's rose hip, which has a powerful antioxidant and protects the skin. So you apply it around your eye area for an instant cooling and rose glow. You can use it under and over makeup as needed throughout the day for an instant pick-me-up. And this product right here is valued at $30. $30, girl. So here's what she looks like. Ooh, super luxe. Oh my gosh. Super luxe. I feel like such a woman when I like get treated to like all this skincare. So I think you take this cap off if I'm not mistaken. Yep. You just go ahead and take that cap off. And then you just have this balm. Wow, it feels really good. It feels really, really good. So I can't wait to use this. I know it said you can use it over makeup, but I would probably just use it like on a no makeup day with super nice skincare. So very excited to try this guy. Now, can you believe that we're only halfway through this box? Yes, girl, there is more. So the next product we have is the Murad Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. We love collagen around here. Like I said, keep me youthful for as long as possible. Please, please, okay? We love the collagen. A fast-acting treatment with a topical filler-like effect. A plump skin surface to minimize the look of lines and wrinkles after just one use. Formulated with collagen amino acids, this treatment smooths and visibly revolumizes skin. It claims that it will reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 2 hours. Ooh, girl, I'm excited to use this. You can use it in the morning and at night. Girl, this product alone is valued at $78. I'm literally shook. I'm literally shook right now. Holy moly. $78. I know Murad is expensive. I used to use some of their acne products and I know they are expensive. So, wow, it is so nice to get this full-size product for such a great deal. This is 1 fluid ounce. All right, so the next thing that I have here is this Butanique Beauty. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Butanique Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. So they're little patches and I love the little eye gel patches. So when I saw this, I had to choose it. It's gonna brighten, hydrate, and depuff. And there is cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is amazing because it really hydrates your skin. It keeps the moisture inside of your skin. Part of like aging is dehydration. So the more hyaluronic acid you can get it, girl, because that's what's gonna prevent you from getting the wrinkles. So I'm all about the hyaluronic acid and the collagen. Collagen is for elasticity. So it says on here, it's ideal for tired and overworked eyes, jet lag, and pre-party prep. Oh yes. So there's gonna be 4 individually wrapped masks in here. So here's what the little packets look like inside. So you have 4 treatments. There's 2 in each, obviously, and they look like little wings. I can see it on this paper. I don't want to open it yet until I use it, but it's like little angel wings, and that's what goes under your eyes. That is so super cute. This product is valued at $25. The next item that I have in the box is this below the belt croc card case. Say that 5 times fast, girl. So I chose this because I actually need a new one, so why not get it in the box for a deal? And I've been loving croc. Like, I just love the croc print, the faux leather print. I'm so into it. Faux leather is super in right now, and I'm loving every second of it. So this is just for like your debit card and your credit card and your ID to just throw it in your purse. I always have 2 wallets, one for cash and one for cards. It's just easier for me. I don't know why, I've just always done it. So on the back here, it's got a gold zipper, and you can keep some like, you know, coins in there. Some space on the inner pocket here, and then 2 pockets on the front. So super nice little cute faux leather card holder. Mine is literally ripping apart, so this came in handy. And this product right here is valued at $35. And the last item we have in the box is this Aesthetica liquid eyeliner in the shade black. And I just needed some eyeliner, so I chose this one. But it's just gonna be a black eyeliner, and this product is valued at $21, and it claims that it lasts for hours on the skin, which is great. So it's got one of those felt tips on it, and I'm gonna show you how pigmented the color is. Super, super pigmented. Love it. All right, BROCHIKAS, so that is it for this FabFitFun unboxing. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope it was helpful to you. If you didn't know much about FabFitFun, I hope I could show you some things. So a little preview of what you could get inside your box. Of course, they have so many other choices. If you have different preferences than I do, I'm really focused on skincare, and I can't believe what a good deal I got with this skincare. The total of this box is valued at $337. $337 is what came inside of this box that costs $49.99. That is an insane deal. But of course, you can get it for $39.99 if you use my coupon code. So don't forget to look for that information right down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you're excited for cozy season, and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any more videos from me. Bye guys.